Welcome to this mountain's garage. Hello ladies, in this video I'll show you how to change a four-wheel drive actuator. Now the right way to check this is if you have a scanner, it'll tell you exactly what's wrong with it, but if you don't have a scanner to diagnose this, if you try to engage four-wheel drive and the light is continuously blinking, it could be the encoder or the switch. But if there's no blinking and it doesn't engage four-wheel drive, then check to see if the actuator over here is moving to engage the fork into four-wheel drive. So we're going to go ahead and replace this now. That's an 8mm here. This is a 2003 Trailblazer. So go ahead and take that actuator off. We'll put in a long extension here with a 1/4-inch ratchet. Alright, take the connector off, push the tab, pull the tab out, and then push it out, pull it out. Put that to the side. And the whole thing just drops right out. Just like that. And that's what it looks like. This is the GM part number that we're putting in. That's that number right there. And that's what it looks like. Okay, we're going to put some grease on the tip here. We're just using some grease that we get from AutoZone. We can find at Pep Boys. You gotta lube the tip before you pop it in the hole. Yeah, baby, now we're ready for some action. Let's do this. Okay, now we're going to put it on. We're going to have an extension on there too. And that's all there is to it. Now we're going to put the other bolt underneath. Alright, now the other one, the bottom. I have to wiggle the actuator a little bit to get that in there. So that's good. Go ahead and tighten that down. And now do the top one. And it's in there. It's good. And just put the clip on now. So that's how you place a four-wheel drive actuator. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like me, share me, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Toodaloo!